go. We're in Sebastian, Florida. About to take off here behind the hotel I'm staying at, the Best Western Plus. Set this to record. Home point has been recorded. Let's take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There's the hotel, the Best Western. Again, in Sebastian, Florida. Best Western Plus. Over there by the water where that pier is, before the island. That's where we had dinner last night. Just kind of fly that way. I don't really want to film too much over there because I flew over there yesterday and I already filmed that on the flight, so let's see if I kind of move it around here. That video I took yesterday over there of that island and the pier and everything, I'll put in another video that I'll upload. It's really, really nice here. That's the Indian River that you see between the beaches and the barrier over there out by the ocean. So it's kind of like an intracoastal, I think it's the way you're supposed to say it. There's that water tower. I believe that's the Walmart there. Sun is about setting over there to the west. Today is June 22nd, 2019. Yesterday was June 21st, which is the summer solstice, which is also the longest day of the year and the first day of the summer. So it's right now, like, you see what time it is. 7:33 to be exact. And it's still daylight. It'll probably be daylight for a good half an hour more, if not, or maybe even more than that. Alright, so I'm coming back towards me. I'm behind the hotel and by a railroad track. That building right in the center with the brown roof, I'm right behind that. I'm gonna see if I can get maybe like a the circle quick shot of the hotel here with the DJI Go 4 app, the pre-programmed drone, or not drone, circle, yeah. So look, there I am right there, you see me? Right there. I don't know what this is that I'm flying over. I don't know if it's a church or... Actually, let's go over the train tracks and stuff here before I go over the hotel. This is a really nice area here. I've never been to this part of Florida. I've driven up I-95 and driven by this area, but never quite stopped here and spent a few days here like I am now. Alright, so let me turn around and aim down at the hotel. There's the hotel, the valet area, or the entrance, main entrance. I'm going to try to do a circle, which I'll stop this recording to do that. Well, it's not going to stop the screen recorder, so that's good. Now we're going to go here to quick shot. I guess we'll key off that satellite dish or something. It's pretty bright. Circle. And go.
3, 2, 1.
I also hope that the altitude doesn't run into anything. Let's also see if when it gets behind the dish, if it still stays tracking it. The white from the dish is starting to kind of disappear from view, so let's see here. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to need to get more altitude for this hotel to stay in view because it's too close. Alright, so let's back up and go up. Gaining altitude. I'm going to try, of course I have to stay under 400 feet, that's the regulation here for drone flying as a hobbyist. 300 feet about right now. I think there we can do the circle and it'll probably stay within. Let me back up a little bit more. It'll be a wider circle and a little bit more altitude. Oh, went the wrong direction there. Alright. Drone time. Or circle time. Let's pick that concrete. Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, aircraft too high. What? Alright, so we gotta bring it down and towards it a little bit. Shit, I don't know. Oh, there's a train coming. I hear it. Is it coming from over there? Sounds like it's coming from the south. Oh, this might be pretty cool. Shit, but I only got 42% battery left. Oh, it's gonna be pretty cool though. It's definitely better than the circle. Shot of a hotel. I'm bringing it down so I can. Fuck, how cool is this? I'm timing the scrolling with the drop in altitude pretty good too. Well, I gotta speed it up a little bit now because of the proximity. Pretty cool. Let's see, let's go back around. pretty loud, as you can hear. I'm standing very close to the tracks, about 30 feet away. And the battery's down now to 25%, so don't know if I can... Oh, there's the end. I was gonna say, I don't know if I can stay here to the end of the train. There's the end, though. I'm gonna decline a little bit to 100 feet. I'm gonna land now. This thing's getting low on battery, and I'm right next to the tracks. I'm right about there. See me there? Well, let's bring this thing in.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Okay, yeah.
Landing. Low battery warning.
Man, I wish I didn't get it on the SD card, the video.
Landing.